let's talk about goal setting. So, gaano ba ka-importante pag gusto natin maging successful, meron tayong target, may goal tayo. Lahat tayo may pangarap, pero hindi lahat ng tao alam nila kung anong gagawin nila para kunin yung pangarap nila. That's why it's very important for us to know how to set the goal. Yung mga goal natin na nais natin ma-achieve as we go along the way. Now, bakit mahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng goal? Example, you want to travel and gusto mo pumunta sa isang lugar. And what you need to do is to find a map. You have to know your directions kung paano pumunta doon. And if you don't know that you need a map, mahirapan ka eh. Kasi hindi mo alam, wala kang idea paano ka pumunta doon, di ba? So, mas malaki yung chance mo na maligaw pag you don't have the map. But if you have the map, you know where to go and what directions, what path you need to go. Mas mapapadali yung mga bagay-bagay at tama na yung direction mo. Malalasa na yung hassle, yung burden, at yung chances na pwede kang maligaw sa lugar, di ba? So, kung tutuusin, if you want to reach a certain destination, you need to find a map. Now, yung mapa na tinutukoy dito is the goal. What is your goal? If you know your goal, you know what is the right directions. At lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo patungkol dun sa goals mo. Kasi alam mo na eh. So, it is important to have a goal. Why? Because in the first place, meron kang target na kung ano yung gagawin mo. So, alam mo kung paano gumawa ng adjustment. Alam mo kung ano yung strategy na dapat mong gawin. Kasi, alam mo na yung plan mo eh. Alam mo na kung saan ka pupunta. Alam mo na kung ano yung galaw na gagawin mo. Alam mo kung ano na yung path kung saan ka pupunta. Kung ano yung tamang dadaanan mo. It helps you track the progress. And at the same time, kapag na-reach mo na yung step going to your goal. So, para siyang milestone